Sentados ante ello. A ver.
Yo, you built this? It's like you created the fort of my childhood dreams. What's going on?
I've gathered ye here to defend our home. Gwendolyn Firebird means to strike us at our heart.
She can destroy everything we built, but I will still defeat her.
Wait, what? Gwen's trying to break your fort?
She is a menace of the highest order.
Not cool. How can I help?
Huzzah! Our bard hath joined our side.
All hail, DJ... Kvinicus!
Hail Kvinicus! Now, go forth and man our
Que lleve la
defenses.
cabeza, tío. Control el LOL. Voy, voy, voy. Mad Max, Mad Max. Me gusta, me gusta, me gusta.
Try to take down an army.
Ah, confrontados al Heraldo Fénix, lol.
I claim Castle Kraken in the name of House
A ver.
Phoenix.
What? Gwendolyn fears to do it herself?
She's busy assaulting
Yo
Fort
entendí cuando
Thunderbollt
hizo
and
el
has
Dios, qué
entrusted
cochazo.
me to bring you to heel.
She's going for the crown today? Deal with these peons quickly. We must get to the crown before her.
Qué cochazos llevan, tío.
Our queen shall lay waste to every last one of you. Whack.
¿Ya? Hay más por ahí. Creo que munición. A ver, se acerca más, ¿ves? Está chulo, está chulo.
My life was not wasted. You will answer for that.
Dios.
You shed Fort
Uno.
our queen.
Ya está, ¿no?
Enemies
Qué
have
fácil.
reached the castle. Find and eliminate them.
Pues que mate infiltrados.
Stop them from destroying the castle.
Couldn't have gone far.
¿Cómo hago eso? ¿Quiénes son infiltrados aquí? Salud del Castillo Kraken. Ah, por aquí, ¿no? Vale. Vale, vale, vale.
Phoenix is trying to tear the castle
Vale,
down.
vale, vale, entiendo. Ah, ahora entiendo. Vale. Bueno, se distinguen bien, sí. 3 de 8, lol. ¿Cómo 3 de 8? ¿Qué es esto?
Book 1. Long ago, we lived...
Un libro. 4 de 8.
The seas rose up and drowned...
Es que no veo nada, tío. ¿Están por aquí? No. Tiene que estar por aquel lado allí. Tiene que estar por aquí.
GG.
Find the
¿Qué haces?
infiltrators.
Tonto. ¿Dónde está aquel tío? LOL.
Didn't see this coming, huh?
¿Cómo?
Stop them from destroying the castle.
Hay que pillar rápido la que quiere. Está jodiendo todo. Voy, 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 voy. Como caiga, cuidado, confío en mí. Está aquí ya, está aquí ya.
Phoenix is trying to tear the castle down.
Oye, ¿qué haces?
That was dope.
Damage.
What's next?
We beat Gwen to the crown.
Get to the bell rock.
And then
Entra en
onward
este...
to
¡Oh!
battle.
Bowel Rock. Is this one of those games?
No, no, it is not.
Ay, tenemos así dentro de un coche así, tío. A ver, vámonos.
Onward to Fort Thunderpump!
¿Subes? Vámonos. Dios, qué bichardo, chaval. Vale, vámonos. Ante el wifi está tonto ya. Estoy utilizando el CSGO. Se nota.
Fort Thunderpump has fallen. The siege is over. Surrender your crown, Dust King.
No way! You failed to do the required damage in the allotted time!
Damn it, Carl, you know I did more than enough damage. Do I need to get a rules check?
Balrog?
Ah! They're your problem now, Gwendolyn Firebird!
Oh, gods damn it.
Damage.
Armies of the Phoenix, about face! Smite that hell beast and their sandworm too!
Ahí viene.
Woo! Yeah! Ah!
Se viene. Chuparla.
Don't you know who I am?
You can't rise from that.
Ni un ataque. Espía este. ¿Cómo va, tío? Mira que bien.
Don't let them escape foes!
Se me está escapando. Se me está escapando. Oh.
They are dead.
Qué bueno, chaval.
Tell the Dust King I am here for his crown.
None shall pass the Gate of Bones!
Then we shall unleash the bow growl and blow your gate asunder.
Your meager beast is no match for our superior defenses!
We got plus 20 siege damage.
What? How?
The Horn of Condor. A nice addition by House Tapeworm last year.
God damn it! Gate of Bones falls to the mighty roar.
Damage. Desafía el rugido del destripador. Vamos.
Onward to the crown!
How do I reload this thing?
GG.
Es por arriba, ¿no? Bueno, por aquí. Sigo looteando, chaval.
From here we go on foot.
Vale, vamos allá.
Let's do this.
Vamos a ir con la pistolina.
So, why isn't this place called Fort Dustin? All the other forts use the house name.
They have corporate sponsors.
Why don't we do that?
We be not sellout bitches, DJ Kaviticus.
The king must be in the keep.
But how do we get over the walls? We have not the bow rod to shatter the gate.
Oh, I know. We can use this ballista to fly us over the wall.
We be but mortals then. Also, that would really hurt.
Come on. We do crazier stuff than that all the time.
I don't.
The ballista's busted, but I can fix it if you keep the heat off me.
Vamos.
Yes.
Aquí viene.
dangerous to stay here too long.
Rush me.
Toma.
We are being overwhelmed.
I need more time.
By the gods, are we lost? Tapeworm!
Sandy Kraken does not stand alone. Tapeworm is here in your hour of need.
Let this be the hour when we
Qué
draw
gente.
fake guns together.
To the keep!
Don't dare try to hurt me! I'm gonna beat you down! Just need a ye old lug nut and this will be fixed.
Boom.
Get behind something! Dust storm, brainless at the end!
Fundido.
I shall knock you out!
I'm
That lug
doomed.
nut!
Ten la puerta de la balista. A ver. Estoy aquí y no me doy cuenta, tío. Torga. Voy.
Ready to launch!
Huzzah!
LOL. Estoy dentro. Boom.
We're in.
Pero vaya, esta tía que pega más.
Cunning warrior!
Aquí va a haber boss, ya verás.
Not so fast, knaves.
Did she just drive in through the back way? That's cheating.
Backstage shortcuts are against the rules.
No more games. I am here for a purpose. To claim the crown that is rightfully mine.
The crown will go to the one who takes it, and that will be me.
Oh. Está dura. Habría que matar a eso primero. Hay muchos, voy por ella primero. Un pan de salida además. Cabeza. Metalito.
Moving up. I've been waiting.
Ahí queda uno, espera. Ah, no pudo. Te cagas.
I can thrash thee all day.
No. ¿El hueso?
Shot or something?
Toma, toma.
The battle for the crown.
I hit you. You're dead.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did.
Ha sido raro eso.
Fucking prove it.
Oh.
I shall loose my might upon thee.
Canta las balas de esto. La cabeza.
I know I got you that time. You're cheating.
Anything to beat your ass.
Mierda. Fuck. Chuparla, pobre.
I'm going in.
Ahí vienen estos, no. Toma.
Enough. This isn't you, Gwen.
Ya está.
What happened to the anal retentive, by the book, ass-kicking buzzkill that I kind of respect a little sometimes?
God damn it. You're right. How did I fall?
Me cago en todo.
You make me so crazy.
Jesus, I never meant to break you. If the crown means that much to you, take it.
Don't fucking patronize me. You won this time. I'll take that crown off you next year.
Victory is mine.
Moríos, moríos.
Down and out.
¿Cómo antes con la ballesta, no? Ahí, hay dirección. Todo.
Get down.
Muérete. Venga, coño. Tengo poca balita, poca balita. Con el rey del polvo.
To the Thunderpump throne room!
A ver qué quiere este hombre.
No, please! I'll give you anything. Riches, power. Just name your price.
I come for your crown.
You? A min-maxing knave? Never!
Oh. ¿Qué es esto? Ya. Está duro, ¿eh?
The king is dead. Long live me.
Grande Shaggy.
Move.
Se lo merece. Se lo merece.
So, are you gonna buy anything?
One chocolate milk and a packet of beef jerky.
Y se lo merece. Está por la batalla. Let's go.